Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Kukai wallet using Twitter X. Kukai wallet is a popular and beginner-friendly wallet for managing assets on the Tezos blockchain, and one of its most convenient features is social login, which allows users to access their wallet using Twitter, now called X. No need to remember. And in this guide, you will learn step by step how to log into Kukai wallet using Twitter X safely and smoothly. First, open to your Kukai wallet and make sure you already have a Kukai wallet in your phone. If you do not have, so you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. And once you reach into this welcome screen, what you can do is on the bottom there's an option for the already have an wallet. Select to that. Over here, you can simply select to this use social in the top in order to sign in with your X. Over here, we can see there's an option for the either sign in with Apple, Google, Facebook or with email. Simply tap on this Twitter X icon here and select continue and select sign in, and that is it. Your wallet is tied to your Twitter X account. If you lose access to Twitter, you may lose wallet access. For extra safety, Kukai allows you to export and backup your private key as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.